Hi there, students. Thank you, Captain Obvious. Okay, Captain Obvious. This is a phrase that is used when somebody says something that it's just so obvious, the implication is so clear that what they've said is entirely redundant. It's just ridiculous to say. Let's see. For example, if he wasn't dead, he'd still be alive. Thank you, Captain Obvious. If the opposition hadn't scored a goal, we wouldn't have lost the match. Well, yeah, very clearly, because the score was 1-0. Thank you, Captain Obvious. This is where somebody says something that is just self-evident. It's so obvious that everybody can see and see that it's true. And then somebody says, thank you, Captain Obvious. They're being rude. They're saying, shut up. What the hell are you talking about? This phrase, Captain Obvious, thank you, Captain Obvious, is saying that what you've just said is so clear, so obvious that it's absolutely it's absolutely clear and nobody could mistake it, not even a moron. And this is the idea of Captain Obvious. So you're calling somebody Captain Obvious because they're stating something that is absolutely clear. You're calling them the king of stating the obvious. They're telling everybody something which everybody already knows. Yeah. So my friend went home, so he's not here. Well, yeah, it's obvious. I can see he's not here. Thank you very much, Captain Obvious. Okay, so this is the idea. This is saying that, yeah, if my friend wasn't a girl, she'd be a bloke. Well, thank you, Captain Obvious. It's very clear. It's very clear. Okay, so Captain Obvious. This is talking about things that are so obvious that it just can't be mistaken. Yeah, it's a sarcastic name for somebody who states the obvious. The sky is blue. Yeah, thank you, Captain Obvious. Yeah, we all know the sky is blue. Yeah, if the sun was shining, it wouldn't be night time. Thank you, Captain Obvious. This is the idea. It's somebody who's making superfluous statements. Okay, I hate to be Captain Obvious, but this is totally clear. I hate to say something that is blindingly obvious. I've heard people say, "No shit, Sherlock." Yeah, it's sarcasm when somebody is saying something that is just clearly far too obvious. I don't know, this phrase Captain Obvious, it reminds me of Captain Sensible. I don't know why, but this is a neologism. It first came around, first appeared in the 1990s. Yeah, and we're using this phrase, thank you, Captain Obvious. Thank you for telling us something that is blindingly obvious. Your photos are out of focus because you didn't adjust the lens properly. Wow, Captain Obvious strikes again. The poorest people in society have been most severely affected by the recession. Yeah, thank you, Captain Obvious. It's obvious that is true. Yeah, this is from the Department of the Bleeding Obvious. If we'd arrived earlier at the station, we wouldn't have missed the train. Well, yeah, clearly we did miss it, and thank you, Captain Obvious. Yeah, you're being rude to the person. You're being sarcastic for somebody who's clearly been the saying things that the master of the obvious. Or also this phrase, duh. Yeah, if the sun was shining, it wouldn't be night time. Duh. Thank you, Captain Obvious. That's the idea of it. Okay, so formality. Thank you, Captain Obvious. I'm going to give this a 3 in formality. Use it in an informal conversation. I think that's really where to use it. It's a slang phrase. So, thank you, Captain Obvious.